Hi friends, this video shows how to enable auto call recording. Open this phone app, tap on this phone app icon, tap on Recents tab, tap on these three dots on top right corner, go to settings, tap here, tap on record calls, tap on auto record calls. First let me enable auto call recording, tap here, done. Here you can see three options, all calls. If you select this first option, all calls, it will record all calls. Let me select the second option, calls with unserved numbers. If we select the second option, it will record only the calls from unserved numbers. Tap on third option, calls with specific numbers. We can record calls from specific numbers. Those specific numbers we can specify here. Tap on number to auto record. Here we can add number, or we can tap on contacts. From contacts also we can select numbers. Go back, show notification after recording. So if you want to see notification after recording, select this second option, tap on record calls. Using this option we can see all record calls. So right now this is empty. Tap on delete all recordings. Using this option we can delete recorded calls. Right now this is also empty. See, no call recording to delete. So this way we can enable auto call recording. Later if you want to disable auto call recording, you can again come here, then just tap here and disable. Okay, so this way we can enable or disable auto call recording. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.